Hey, what's up YouTube? NeoPro 18. Just wanted to show you my small fleet. This is my Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk. It's basically a CX-2 by Blade. Great little beginner heli. That fuselage is basically plastic. Great look. Just love the scale helis. Then I got my Brushless 300X. Killer piece there. Love it. Real squirrely. That's got the Beast X technology on it. Just love it. Great little heli. Love it so much. Wifey thought I was a good boy. She basically surprised me with his brother. Now that's a Blade 450X. Comes with the carbon fiber blades. The 300 has the wood. Another brushless monster. Haven't messed with this one too much yet. I actually took a couple of things off of it and added something else, which I'll get into in a minute. So basically that's my 450. Again, brushless. Killer piece. And then I got greedy. Wifey told me, that's it. One more, that's it. But little does she know I'm working on something else. Let me show you what I got. So I only been messing with these fixed pitch helis for only about a month now. And by no means am I good. But check this big boy out. Like I said, I got greedy. Boom. This is basically Blade's Bell 222. It's basically an Airwolf body, but with a killer paint job on it. Gonna have to pull that back a little. And wifey just got me the fuselage for Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to me. This is basically a Blade 500X, and it's a brushless monster. This fuselage came with basically just the fuselage. It comes with the little fixed wheels on it just so it doesn't have to rest on its belly. But I'm going to get all the retracts for it, which does not come with it. The lights, I'm going to put a sick lighting system in it. I love it. Spectrum did it. Look at that. What do you think, Mark? So basically, I've been looking for a 450 fuselage. They're out there, but they don't look like this. This fuselage has door handles. Very lightweight. It's basically a beginner fuselage. Only took me about an hour to install. Again, I'm not finished. I have to work on the retracts that I already ordered and an extensive LED system. So check this out. To basically handle all those helis, I picked up this Cell Pro Power Lab 8. It's basically got 1344 watts. If you go with, of course, the bigger power supply, that's when you can use all those watts. But basically, I just went with the 12 volt. I really don't need anything bigger than that. That high tech is just a beautiful system. I mean, it is so convenient. It's got its own switch to turn everything on. I don't have to mess around with anything else. It's, like I said, I'm not using my charger's full potential, but, I mean, 30 minutes to charge a 500 helicopter battery is incredible. Check it out, boys. That's what it looked like before I messed with it. Of course, there's the fuselage. I'm seeing them $269 online. My guy's a lot cheaper. I don't know if you could see that. There you go. And my guy hooks me up. He's in China Grove, High Speed Hobbies. Check this out. He got my back. And to basically handle all my toys, I just picked up the DX8. Great controller. I actually saw the DX18, which my guy was like, oh yeah, only 900. I said, what? He's like, hey, it's $1,200 controller. But the DX will do everything I need, retracts, lights. Basically, that's it. And believe it or not, I'm still working on that run video for Big Boy. Actually didn't realize that my contractor poured that cement slab so deep. I touched it about 3 miles an hour. That fast lane skid plate folded like tin foil. Gonna have to go RPM junk. But my Emax is extremely fast considering the weight, 13 pounds. I'm working on that video. I'm going to get that video out, promise. Just want to show you my fleet. What do you think, YouTube? Want to tell you that this fuselage paint is outstanding. Not a flaw in it. Just a pretty sight. You can actually get extra, a dashboard, people. You can go crazy. There's the door handles. I'm actually looking for a 450 fuselage, something in a bell. I'm so sick and tired of seeing the Airwolf. I want something with detail. Blade did it here. Hey Blade, if you come out with a 450, I'll buy it. All right, YouTube, I don't want to bore you. I don't want to bore you. Hey, what do you think, guys? My first scale build. All right, YouTube, later. Thank you. Hey, more to come, guys. Hey, and by the way, comment and subscribe. Good night.